Have you ever wondered how something as small as chia seeds can supercharge your energy levels? Chia seeds are truly a powerhouse when it comes to superfoods, and their popularity in health circles is no surprise. They're often touted as a miracle food, and for good reason. They pack a punch when it comes to energy-boosting nutrients. Did you know that chia seeds have been a staple food in ancient civilizations for centuries? The Aztecs and Mayans revered them as a source of strength and vitality, and it's easy to see why. They're a nutritional powerhouse that's been hiding in plain sight. Let's dive into what makes chia seeds so special. One of the standout features is their incredibly high fiber content. A single ounce of chia seeds contains a whopping 10 grams of fiber. That's a third of your daily recommended intake. This high fiber content is amazing for digestive health and can help keep you feeling fuller for longer. Chia seeds are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health and brain function. And if you're looking for a plant-based source of protein, chia seeds have got you covered. They contain a respectable 5 grams of protein per ounce. The combination of fiber, omega-3s, and protein in chia seeds makes them an incredible superfood for sustained energy release. Unlike sugary energy drinks or coffee, which can give you a quick energy boost followed by a crash, chia seeds provide a slow and steady release of energy that can last all day. This is because the fiber in chia seeds slows down the digestion of the omega-3s and protein, providing a sustained release of energy that won't leave you feeling jittery or anxious. However, it's worth noting that chia seeds might not be suitable for everyone. Some people may experience digestive issues, such as bloating or stomach cramps, if they're not used to eating high-fiber foods. It's essential to introduce chia seeds into your diet gradually to allow your gut microbiome to adjust. Start with a small serving size and increase it over time to minimize any potential discomfort. Another potential drawback of chia seeds is that they can absorb a lot of liquid, which can lead to them becoming gelatinous and unappetizing. To avoid this, make sure to soak them in water or your favorite milk alternative for at least 30 minutes before consuming. This will help them absorb the liquid evenly and prevent any unpleasant textures. Compared to other popular energy-boosting foods or supplements, chia seeds stand out for their unique combination of nutrients. Flax seeds, for example, are high in omega-3s but low in protein, while energy bars are often high in sugar and low in fiber. Chia seeds offer the best of both worlds, a balanced blend of macronutrients that will keep you energized and satisfied. I can personally attest to the amazing benefits of incorporating chia seeds into my diet. Since I started adding them to my smoothies and oatmeal, I've noticed a significant increase in my energy levels and overall well-being. Digestion has improved, and I feel more focused and alert throughout the day. In conclusion, I would highly recommend giving chia seeds a try if you're looking for a natural energy boost. With their incredible nutritional profile and sustained energy release, they're an ideal superfood for anyone looking to upgrade their health and well-being. Let me know about your experiences in the comments below, and if you want to learn more about healthy superfoods, be sure to check out my next video.